Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the powerful concept of self-love and how it can transform your relationships and career. You know, for years I struggled with understanding my own worth. I let the opinions of others define me, and I put everyone else's needs before my own. It wasn't until I discovered the importance of self-love that my life truly began to change. Self-love is not about being selfish or narcissistic. It's about recognizing your inherent worthiness and treating yourself with the same kindness, compassion, and respect that you would offer to someone you love dearly. It's about setting healthy boundaries, prioritizing your well-being, and honoring your authentic self. And let me tell you something. When you love yourself, it radiates outward into every aspect of your life. Your relationships become stronger, your career flourishes, and you exude a confidence that draws people in. So let's embark on this journey of self-discovery together and unlock the incredible power within you. You know those days when you wake up feeling like you're not good enough, smart enough, or thin enough? We all have them. But here's the thing. Beating yourself up doesn't serve you. It only makes you feel worse. Instead, try treating yourself with the same kindness and compassion that you would offer to a dear friend. Imagine your best friend came to you feeling down on themselves. You wouldn't tell them to just get over it, would you? No. You would listen with an open heart, offer words of encouragement, and remind them of their strengths. So why not extend that same grace to yourself? Remember, you are worthy of love and compassion, especially from yourself. Setting boundaries is essential for protecting your energy and maintaining healthy relationships. It's about learning to say no without guilt and prioritizing your own needs. Think of it like this. You wouldn't let just anyone walk into your home and take whatever they wanted, would you? Your time, energy, and emotional well-being are just as precious. It's okay to decline requests that drain you or make you feel uncomfortable. It's about honoring your own limits and communicating them clearly and respectfully to others. Remember, setting boundaries is not selfish. It's self-care. In the whirlwind of life, it's easy to neglect our own needs. We're constantly on the go, juggling work, family, and social obligations. But if you're running on fumes, you won't be able to show up fully for yourself or anyone else. Think of self-care as filling your own cup. It's about making time for activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Whether it's a hot bath, reading a good book, taking a walk in nature, or simply enjoying a few moments of quiet reflection. When you prioritize your well-being, you have more energy, focus, and resilience to tackle the challenges of life. Chapter 4. Cultivate positive relationships. You've heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And let me tell you, it's true. The people we surround ourselves with have a profound impact on our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Seek out relationships with those who uplift you, inspire you, and support your growth. You know, the kind of people who make you feel seen, heard, and valued for who you truly are. And just as important, be mindful of relationships that drain your energy or bring you down. It's okay to distance yourself from negativity and create space for more positive influences in your life. Chapter 5. Pursue your passions. Remember that little voice inside you that whispers your dreams and desires? Don't ignore it. Life is too short to settle for a career that doesn't light you up. What are you passionate about? What makes your heart sing? Whether it's writing, painting, singing, starting a business, or something else entirely, make time for activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. When you're aligned with your passions, work doesn't feel like work. It becomes an expression of your authentic self. Chapter 6. Embrace your authentic self. In a world that often tells us to fit in, it takes courage to stand out as our true selves. But let me tell you something. Your authenticity is your superpower. It's what makes you unique, special, and oh so worthy. Embrace your quirks, your imperfections, your passions, and your values. Don't be afraid to let your true colors shine, both in your personal and professional life. When you show up authentically, you attract people who appreciate you for who you are, not who you think you should be. Chapter 7. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful force that can transform your life. It's about shifting your focus from what you lack to what you have, from what's wrong to what's right. Start each day by acknowledging the good in your life, no matter how small. It could be the warmth of the sun on your face, a delicious cup of coffee, a kind word from a loved one, or simply the gift of another day. When you approach life with a grateful heart, you open yourself up to more joy, abundance, and peace. Chapter 8. Seek professional help when needed. There's no shame in asking for help. We all need a little guidance and support from time to time, especially when it comes to our mental and emotional well-being. If you're struggling with self-love, relationships, or any other aspect of your life, don't hesitate to reach out to a therapist, counselor, or other mental health professional. Think of it like this. You wouldn't try to fix a broken bone on your own, would you? Seeking professional help is a sign of strength and a commitment to your own well-being. Remember, you are not alone, and there is support available to help you navigate life's challenges. Outgrow your journey to self-love. Thank you for watching. Remember, self-love is a journey, not a destination. It's a lifelong practice of self-discovery, compassion, and growth. Some days will be easier than others, and that's okay. Be patient with yourself, embrace the process, and celebrate every step you take. As you cultivate self-love, you'll find that your relationships become more fulfilling, your career soars to new heights, and you radiate a confidence that inspires those around you. You're worthy of love, happiness, and success. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content.